Good morning, second graders. Mrs. Hagedorn here with another math lesson. Just wanted to let you know that today we're going to be working in ThinkCentral, and you are going to be working on lesson 6.5 for Check Your Homework. Just wanted to go over a couple examples with you. You might notice here for the first question right there, it says 200 plus 200. So I want you to think about the hundreds place and the hundreds place. So 200 plus 200, you would tap inside the box. Your number card is going to come up. You would type in your answer, and then you would go on to the next one, which would say 200 plus 20. So you could do 220. And then in this one, 200 plus 2. Oh, so it's got to be 200s, 0 10s, 2 1s. All right, and that would be some ways that we could go ahead and answer those questions. If you don't know what to do, remember you can always go up here and hit View Example, and it would help you through the questions and talk you through the questions. And then down here is your example on what to do. In the addition first row, start with 200, 200, and you could scroll up and find other directions to help you there. All right, so we're going to close that. And remember, you can always come down here and do try again or go on to next. So just wanted to get you a little bit of ideas on how that's going to be happening. Going to go on over here and go select the second question. Wanted to show you a couple things here. In this one, we're going to be adding 100 plus 134. So again, I'm going to want to add my 100s. 100 and 100 is going to be 200. There's 0 10s in this one and 3 10s in this one, so probably 230. And then our 4 1s. So I would type in 234. Then I would go on to the next one. And as you can see here, we have 100 plus 34. So 100, 3 10s, 4 1s. Over here, I have 4 plus 100. So I have 1 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. So again, just wanted to review some of those questions. We're going to come to a story problem on the next one, and that one's going to be a little bit harder. You can always use this little icon right there, and it will read it to you.
Two friends want to make necklaces. They buy one package of 100 red beads, one package of 100 blue beads, and one package of 100 green beads. They already have 14 loose beads.
Wow, so we're really going to have to think about that. And again, if you're not sure what to do, come to the View by Example and press that button, or come over here to the Step by Step and press that button. But in this case, it sounds like we have 100 red beads, 100 blue beads, and 100 green beads, plus 14 loose beads. I don't want to take away your fun, so I'm going to let you continue and see if you can figure out that answer on your own. We're going to go to the next one, which again is going to be another story problem. So just kind of wanted to bring you up to speed on how to do lesson 6.5. Please remember, when you're practicing multi-digit addition, we've been spending a lot of time on place value. And you want to think about when we worked with show all totals and how you would maybe add all the numbers in the hundreds together, then maybe all the numbers in the tens together, and then all the numbers in the ones together. All right, so just give me 1 second here. Mrs. Hagedorn is going to actually see if she can go to Notability, and it looks like she can. But now she wants to go to a whole new page, and she wants to remind you when you're working that if you would be asked to add something like 100 beads plus 100 beads plus 100 beads, how many beads would that be in the hundreds total? Okay, and then we would take that amount and we could add that, whatever that amount is. And then it said plus 14 more beads. Now remember, you're going to have to be very careful that you line up, and remember place value with hundreds, tens, and ones. All right, so we're going to go to another page down here, and I want to remind you on this page, excuse me,